6-Minute English
from BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to 6-Minute English. I'm Neil.
And I'm Catherine. Hello.
Hey, Catherine, say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, thank you. A little souvenir of our time together.
Let me see. What? You just took a selfie that wasn't even in the picture.
Well, that's the magic of the smartphone. 2 cameras. You know, that's not something you can do with a traditional camera. I mean, do you even have a separate camera these days?
I do actually. It's in the cupboard somewhere at home.
Well, that is the topic of this program. Have traditional cameras been completely replaced by smartphones? Or to put it another way, have cameras been made obsolete by the smartphone?
Interesting question. But before we get into the topic, how about the question for our listeners?
Of course, we are certainly in the digital age of photography. But who was the first digital camera phone released? Was it A, 2000, B, 2004, or C, 2007? What do you think?
Well, I actually know this one, so I'm going to be fair and keep this to myself.
Okay, well, listen out for the answer at the end of the program. There are different kinds of cameras available today. There are compact cameras, which are small and mostly automatic, and usually come with a fixed lens.
That's right. And then there are SLRs and DSLRs, which are bigger. And you can change the lenses on these cameras, and they are allowed for a lot of manual control.
And there are also mirrorless cameras, which are a cross between compact cameras and DSLRs. They are small like a compact camera, but you can also use the same lenses on them that you can use on DSLRs.
Of course, there are the cameras on smartphones, and these are convenient and they are becoming increasingly sophisticated.
Phil Hall is the editor of TechRadar magazine. He was asked on the BBC program, You and Yours, if he thought smartphones would make other cameras obsolete. What is his opinion?
I don't think so. I think while compact camera sales has really sort of dropped a cliff, it's a lower end. Cheap compact where people have opted for smartphone, and I think manufacturers are looking at more high-end premium cameras, high-end compacts, DSLRs, which are the one you can attach lens to mirrorless camera. So the market is changing, and I don't think there will become soon yet that the smartphone will take over cameras completely.
So does Phil think smartphones will kill the camera?
In a word, no. He does say that sales of cheap compact camera have dropped off a cliff. This rather dramatic impression describes a very big fall in sales.
This is because the kind of consumers who would choose a compact camera are now opting for the camera on their smartphone. When you opt for something, you choose it rather than something else.
For people who want a quick, easy to use, and convenient way to take reasonable quality photos, compact cameras used to be the best choice, but not smartphone.
So camera makers are now moving to the more high-end market, the DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. So who is still buying these more expensive cameras? Here's Phil Hall again.
I think it's some of these people who are picking up smartphone and sort of getting into photography that way, and that's really first step into photography. And then I think people are probably sometimes get a bit frustrated with the quality. Once they sort of pushing their creative skills and then looking to see what's the next round up. So it's the people wanting to broaden their creative skills a bit.
Who does he say might be buying cameras?
He said that people who are getting into photography might get frustrated with the quality of smartphone.
Getting into something means becoming very interested in it.
And if you are frustrated with something, it means you are disappointed with it, you are not happy with it.
So people who have got into photography with a smartphone but are frustrated with its limitations and want to be more creative are going to the next level. They are moving up. They are, as Phil said, taking the next one up.
Now, a rung is the horizontal step of the ladder. So the expression taking the next rung up is a way to describe doing something at a higher level.
Now, talking of higher levels, did you get this week's question right? The question was, when was the first phone with a digital camera released? Was it 2000, 2004, or 2007? The first phone with a digital camera was released in 2000. Now, to take us up to the end of the program, let's look at the vocabulary again.
Okay, first we had the adjective obsolete, which describes something that has been replaced and is no longer the first choice.
When the expression to drop off a cliff is used about, for example, sales numbers, it means sales have fallen significantly over a short period of time.
To opt for something means to choose something, and when you become very interested in an activity, you can say that you get into it.
If you are trying to do something and you can't do it because you don't have the skill or the equipment you are using is not right or not good enough, you can become frustrated.
And developing your skills to the higher level can be described as taking the next rung up.
Right, that's all from us in this program. Do join us again next time, and don't forget that in the meantime, you can find us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and of course our website, bbclearningenglish.com. See you soon. Goodbye.
Bye.
6 Minute English.
From BBC Learning English.